here. Hey friend, today I have got some goods for you. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button, because if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Also, remember to click that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. So, guess what we got this month? Yes, we got an Ipsy bag. And for those of you who don't know, I upgraded to the Ipsy Glam bag plus, so that way I get all full size products. Okay, so I really like this bag. It is really cute. So it says stay golden. This is what the bag looks like. So let's get into the products. So let's see, it comes with a card. It's all bent up, but it says stay golden. And then it says this month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. And then on the inside is basically telling you how to bronze, like bronzing 101. It talks about, you know, what tones are better for your skin, whether you have a darker complexion or more fair skin. So it just talks about things like that. Now, I really do wish that Ipsy had that card to where they have all the products listed as well as the retail price and everything, but they don't have that. So I will let you know what everything costs and how many ounces these products are. I'll have them listed on the screen as I show the product. So the first product, which I think was one of my picks, yeah, it was definitely one of my picks, and I think with this bag you get 2 picks. So my pick was, of course, brushes, because I'm not about to pay top dollar for high quality brushes. Like, I just can't bring myself to do it, although these brushes do make a difference. So I actually got 3 brushes, and this is by the MOTD Cosmetics. And these brushes have different names, so let's open them. So this brush is the Supermodel Sculpt, and this is the size of it. This is how it looks. So I can add this one to my brush collection. Okay, so this brush is called Get Cheeky With It. So I'm guessing you apply a product to your cheeks using this brush. And last but not least, this is the Golden Gem Bronzer. So I'm guessing you use this brush to bronze, to apply bronzer. So this is how it looks. You can never have too many brushes, because some of the older brushes that start to get worn out, I always throw them away. Okay, so the next product we have is called the Golden Hour. So let's take it out. This is what it looks like, really pretty. And it says Beauty for Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. So it's by Beauty for Real. So let's see. I really like the packaging. Oops. And I love the fact that it has a mirror. And these are the colors. So they have Reflection, a Blaze, Horizon, just to name a few. I really like this palette, and I can really see myself using these eyeshadows. I normally don't use a lot of eyeshadow, but I mean, when I'm feeling cute and I want to be extra, I'm gonna put on some eyeshadow. So this is definitely like a palette I would use. I'm gonna be putting this palette to some good use. We have another palette, another eyeshadow palette. And this one is called the Sun Goddess by Hip Dot. I've never heard of this brand. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it has 4. So this is actually a blush palette or a face palette. So it has blush shades and highlight shades. So these 2 are the blush shades, and then these 2 are the highlight shades. So I think it's super cute, and I love the fact that it has a mirror. So I'm definitely gonna be putting this to use as well, because your girl loves blush and your girl loves highlighter. And I love having that sun-kissed look and that glow. Like, that is my all-time favorite when it comes to makeup. So next we have Wonder Beauty. I'm not really sure why this box is already open, but Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. That's what it's called, by Wonder. So I'm pretty sure I picked these out because I have a problem with bags. Just something I was born with. And it gives you 4 gold eye masks. No, actually, okay, so I get more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they gave me 6 of them, which is awesome. So I really can't wait to try these. So it's supposed to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Now, I don't have a problem with dark circles, but I do have a problem with bags. So I don't know, but I'm gonna use them either way. I will use them either way. So it says to apply onto a clean, dry under eyes with fall facing side up, leaving on for 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. And last but not least, we have the Jelly Glaze by Tarte. So Tarte Sea Jelly Glaze. Let me take it out of this box because for some reason this box is also bent. I don't know what's going on, but so this is what it looks like. You can see it for a quick sec, but this is a anytime lip mask. Toasted coconut flavor. Let me smell it, because you know your girl always gotta smell stuff. Okay, it definitely smells like coconut. Let me put it on to see how it looks. I like the way it feels on my lips. I can definitely tell that this will hydrate and moisturize my lips. For sure, for sure. So this is actually 1 to 2 hours of hydration. So far I really like this glam bag a lot. I think I actually like it better than my last glam bag, but you'll have to watch to find out. Also, down in the comments, let me know what your favorite product was in this glam bag. I love the fact that I get full-size products now, and I really think that it is worth it. So if you want to sign up for Ipsy, click the link in my bio, and all of the products will be linked below. Remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. So I will see you next month for the next Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Peace.